Hello everyone. My name is Shintaro Murase. I'm a first-year student at Faculty of Engineering of Kyoto University of Advanced Science. Nice to meet you and nice to see you again for some of you. In this video, I'm going to quickly explain how to export STL file from Fusion 360 and then how to see how much time you will take to print out 3D print out your STL file using the software called Ultimaker Cura. So first, I'm going to begin with how to export STL file from Fusion 360. So first, you're going to open your work that you want to export as STL file. So as a demo, I'm going to use my nameplate. And so you're going to see this menu, right click on the body you want to print out, you want to export, you go to save as mesh, and then as a default, I think it's this 3MF is selected, but please change to STL binary. Unit type doesn't matter. And refinement should be changed to high, not medium or anything else. Okay, and then you're gonna export. Okay, so now I just finished exporting. I can see my file on desktop. By the way, I'm using a macOS. So if you have a Windows OS or Linux OS, your screen might look different than mine. But please, I hope you can at least follow my steps. So after downloading the STL file, you're done with Fusion, so I'm going to close this. And next, you're going to go to the browser and find Ultimaker Cura. Ultimaker Cura. You can either Google it or click your link on the description of this video. And then you're going to download this free. So I have Ultimaker Cura 4.13.1. This is a newest version as of March 13, 2022. So download for free. And I have a macOS, so I'm gonna download the macOS version. But if you have Windows, click Windows. If you have Linux, click Linux. Okay. So I'm gonna open this. Okay. So here, Ultimaker Cura. So please read this. Okay, I read it. Perfect. And you're gonna open this. I think for Windows version, if you're a Windows person or a Linux person, your screen should look different as mine. So unfortunately I can't explain the Windows version or Linux. But if you're a Mac version, you're gonna follow me. You're gonna drag Ultimaker Cura to applications, just like any other software. Okay, so let's open Ultimaker Cura. So where is it? Here. So since I installed this Ultimaker Cura software already, I couldn't figure out how to reset in order to look through the tutorial. So let me share the Japanese presentation. Sorry, I couldn't figure out. but I think this is the best way to do it because this Japanese slide, the screenshot is English, so this is great. So I think if my memory is correct, if you open the Ultimaker Cura software the first time, I think you're going to go through the process, which you have to, maybe you have to agree some kind of agreement, and you can either sign into Ultimaker account or not. I think you can skip too. And then I, I think after going through those steps, you will reach the point that you have to select the printer, 3D printer. So if you reach that screen, I think as a default, this networked printer is opened, and but you will have to go to add a known network printer. And our school has creately 3D CR10S5. So please select this printer, and after you selected this, click next. And then you will have this screen. And I mean, this is not clear, but I think it was 500, 500, 500 rectangle, margin minus 26, minus 32, 32, 34, 25, I think. I think this can be, I think the default was same as this setting, we have to do. So I don't think this really matters. I don't think you have anything to change. All right. Okay. So next, you will change the setting of modeling. So you have this toolbar, and you're going to click the very right one, print settings, and you're going to change this to 0.2 as profiles default. Infill to 50. I think the default was 20, so you're going to drag this to 50, and you're going to click support, tick attention. All right, almost there. So now you're going to open your STL file just downloaded from Fusion 360. My airport is 5%. No, what am I doing? Okay, open file. You're going to select body, okay, whatever one you just exported here. You can see your work, and click size. Okay, so my nameplate will be 70 minutes to 3D print. So this concludes this video, and hopefully you can now see how much time it will take to print out your 3D print work. Thanks for listening.